guys, I'm here today with something called budgeting. Everyone needs budget plan. Yes, we all need budget because we all know that everyone, we have our plans, we have our goals. For us to achieve that, we should have a budget plan, a strong budget plan. Yeah. So I'm here today to teach you the ways of budgeting, and I'm here to help you achieve your financial freedom, to achieve your goals, because we all know that we have our plans. Like, you want to build a house, you want to buy your dream car, but you need budget first. To achieve that, you need a budget first. Hey guys, welcome to the Money Mastery family. My name is Claris. I'm here today with something called budgeting. I'm here to help you master budgeting today, okay? So, what is budgeting? Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how you want to allocate your money and your expenses, okay? And it is a way to manage your finances effectively and make conscious spending decisions and achieve your financial goals. We have our financial goals, we should achieve that, right? So we should have a budget. So I have some simple steps that you can take for your budget. Number one, track your expenses. Exactly. Track your expenses, right? For a month, write down everything that you're using your money. Write down your expenses. We have expenses like food, housing, entertainment, and so forth. So track your expenses. Write down everything that you are using your money per month, right? Then number two, set financial goals. Yes, set your financial goals, what you want to achieve, and always have emergency funds. Emergency funds, they help you when you have an emergency. If you have children, you always need emergency funds. If you have a car, you always need emergency funds. Okay, so set your financial goals. Number three, categorize your expenses. By categorizing your expenses, like, you are separating your needs and your wants. You have your needs. Your needs, these are the things that you cannot live without. For example, food, housing. We all need food. We can't survive without accommodation, without housing. You need housing. You need to pay your bills. You need to pay your electricity, and all of those things. That's your needs. And on the other hand, you have your wants. You need entertainment to freshen up your head. You need entertainment. You need hobbies. You need to visit different kind of places. So you need to categorize the expenses, your needs and your wants. Okay, then assign your percentages. By assigning your percentages, is that the bigger percentages for your needs. Yes, because that's where more money goes. Okay, because some money, you're paying rent, you are paying electricity, water bills, housing, accommodation, and so forth. So that's where the bigger percentage is going to. And the small percentage is going to your wants, because you sometimes you want to visit different places, but not every time. Okay, then create a budget plan. This is very important thing to do. Create a budget plan if you want to achieve something in your life. If there is someone who is not yet working, but you have somewhere to get a little amount of money, you should have a budget plan, so that you budget for your business. Like, your plan is to open a business, your plan is to invest in something, but you need a budget plan so that you can achieve that, so that you can be able to gather the amount of money that you want, that you need to start a new business. Okay, then the next thing is, I want to introduce you the ways of budgeting. So it's up to you to choose the way that you like. the way that is very comfortable for you. So number one, I have 50, 30, and 20 rule. What does this rule mean? This rule means 50% is 50% is going to your needs. As I was saying, your needs, your housing, you want to pay housing, you have rent, you have water bills, you have electricity. Yes, we need food, okay? So these are the needs. That's where the bigger percentage is going. Then 30% is going to our wants. You need entertainment to freshen up your head, you need hobbies, you need to travel, you need to visit different kind of places, to be entertained, So that's where the 30% is going. Then the 20% is going to your savings. Don't forget to save, guys. This is where we achieve our goals, where we achieve our plans. You should have your savings. And I'm going to talk about that in the next video. You should have savings, okay? Either you work, either you're still in school, either you are you don't work, either you have a business, but you need to have savings, okay? So the 20% is for savings. And for debt repayment, we all know that sometimes we lack money, sometimes we need someone who helps us with money. So sometimes we owe other people. So this 20% is for you to do your savings and your debt repayment, because you need to pay your debts. Yes. Then another one, another way of budget, like what I said, you choose the way that is very comfortable for you. So number two is envelope system. Envelope system is placing the money inside different envelopes. For example, the money for food, you put it in one envelope. Then the money for housing, the money for electricity, the money for water bills. So you divide the money, then place it inside the envelopes. That's envelope system. Sometimes the other people, they use these the small tins, they use tins to put their money. Is also the same, is also good for you. Okay, so if you are using tins, you also do the same. You have a different kind of tins. You name them. You name one for food, you name one for water, you name one for electricity, you name one for rent, and so forth, for school fees and so forth, right? Then number three, we have zero based budgeting. You start with the zero balance. Yes, you start with the zero balance, then you track your expenses. You write everything that you are using, your single dollar. Then next time you reduce the expenses, right? If you are someone who is used to eat meat every day, yeah, I cannot say skip eating meat, but what I can say is that reduce the amount of meat that you used to eat every day, so that you left with some money, you left with some savings, okay? You cannot use all the money. And avoid overspending, guys. We know when we go to the shops, when we visit shops, we like many things, but do not overspend on things that are not on your plan. Do not buy unnecessary things, because you need to save for you to achieve something in your life, okay? Then priority based budgeting is to identify and prioritize essential expenses and then allocate funds accordingly. We have the expenses that you always know you need to pay them, like food, electricity, and so forth. You always need money for that. And for entertainment and hobbies, sometimes you can skip that. Sometimes it's not every month that you need entertainment, so you allocate and prioritize the essential expenses, right? Then the last one is cash flow budgeting. Cash flow budgeting is to track your income and your expenses, to understand your every cent, where your money is going, and make adjustments accordingly. Like what I was saying, you have to reduce the things that you used to do, so that you can left with some savings. If you are used to buy clothes every month, then by now you can skip some months buying clothes, so that that money that you used to buy clothes, you can save it. Okay, so this is what about today. Today was all about budgeting. We all need budgeting. We all need to have a budget plan. Start today, create your budget plan, and I'm telling you, at the end of this year, you're going to come back with a testimony, because this money mastery family can never fails. Yeah, can never fails. And I'm still on this journey. Like what I said, I'm not a financial expert, but I'm still on this journey. I'm helping you to master your finances and to achieve your financial goals. So I'm still on this journey. I do everything that is something to do with money. I do investments like cryptocurrency investment, forex, but this needs risk management and discipline. I'm going to talk about later in some of my videos, but these are some of the investments that you can do, and you achieve your goals, and you increase your income. Thank you very much, guys. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notifications, so that you can be able to see any video that I'm going to upload. Bye.